What's up, family? It's Naj with Built by Plants, and it is 2023. It's time for us to get serious with our goals, our body goals, our health goals, whatever we're trying to accomplish. And I'm not even gonna go into the whole motivation type of stuff. We know why we're here, all right? Something I've gotten very popular for over the last 3 or so years is gaining a whole bunch of weight with my clients and showing them how to actually lose it. I've gained 15 pounds, 20 pounds, up to 25-pound ones, and just basically documented the process of how I actually lose it. And guess what? I did it again this winter, all right? So I gained about an extra 17 to 20 pounds, and I'm gonna be showing this whole process of how I lose it. I don't know why they started playing this music so loudly. This is not a joke, this is serious. Check it out. You can see the belly and everything. There's not gonna be no cuts on this video. It's gonna be all raw, unedited, all right? I'm uploading straight to the platforms. I'm gonna even stand up so y'all can see it's real. It's no jokes, it's 100% real fat, all right? So I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna be losing this. We're gonna be doing this specifically in the Built by Plants New Year Challenge. So y'all can go to builtbyplantsnewyear.com if you want to join and watch the day-to-day of how I'm gonna be losing the weight. My birthday is February the 8th. Okay, so by February the 8th, ideally I would love to have my 6-pack back. That's the goal. And we're gonna see how close we get to that. But I don't know, we'll see what we can do, okay? I'm not gonna say I'm gonna lose 20 pounds in 37 days. You know, today's January the 1st, so about 37 days, February the 8th. But we're gonna get pretty close. We're gonna get pretty lean, we'll see. It's gonna be an expedited phase that I'm going to be doing. It's going to be a little bit different than the clients inside the training program, and I'm going to be releasing the program that I'm going to be doing specifically once I actually, reach those goals. All right. So again, the scale is right here. I'm going to step on the scale, show y'all my weight. Okay. And then I'll probably just minus about a pound from my pants. Turn it on. Okay, I think it's uneven because of the floor. I should have known. I'm gonna move this over here. All right, let me move that back and turn this right there, a little bit more even for the platform. Let's see. $209.8. Okay, I'll turn it around so y'all can see it. 209 pounds. So basically 210 almost, all right? Or if you want to drop a pound, about 208.8 from the pants. So this is where I'm at. This is how I'm looking, all right? You can see the starting points. You can still see the muscles that I have, but I have a lot of fat on top of it. Hopefully this is gonna motivate you all to get your stuff together, because if I can gain all this weight and drop the pounds, you all can do the same, all right? So I just show overall what my physique looks like from all angles. And this is where the majority of my weight goes. When I start gaining weight, it rushes to my stomach area. So it's the first place where the weight comes, and it's gonna be the last place where the weight leaves. So we're gonna learn a lot on this process. Head over to Built by Plants New Year to join the New Year Challenge, if it's still up by the time you're watching this. If not, feel free to schedule a coaching call and join our group coaching program. You can do that at builtbyplantscoaching.com. And I'd love to be able to help you all on your journey. Again, I'm the only one that does this, right? Only one that's willing to sacrifice their physique to gain a bunch of weight and help you all lose it. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna do this again. This will probably be the last time. But then again, I said that the last time, all right? So hopefully this will be motivational to you all. I will see you all inside the challenge, builtbyplantsnewyear.com, or just tap the link down below. And let's get to it, all right? Catch you on the inside.